Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the background of your video or photo that you would like to record or take on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below and click on the camera icon at the top of the screen next to the search bar. After that, tap on the background button next to the red button down below. And here you can see all of the available background options. You can also set it to a simple color. You can see the preset color options below the character. And you can also select from a bunch of categories in terms of the background. Tap on the relevant one. And here you can see how they look like. Feel free to try them out. And when you are done, tap on the video or photo buttons to record or take a picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.